Gentlemen, welcome to Special Forces Assessment and Selection. For the next 3 weeks, you numbnuts are going to try out to become Green Berets. Out of 600 candidates, only a handful of you will make the cut. This class represents an all-time low of the American gene pool. God help us. Roster number 115. What the are you smiling at?
Nothing, Sergeant. I can't believe I'm finally here.
Me either. Brains, this life ain't for you. I can tell by looking at your scrawny ass.
Oh, it's for me, Sergeant. I've wanted to do this since I was a kid.
Well, isn't that sweet? Do you have any idea what you're about to get your dumb ass into? Special Forces operates hundreds of miles from nowhere, living in villages with no running water, speaking foreign languages, surrounded by pissed off tribes. Sound fun?
I'll put up with anything if it lets me get after the enemy, Sergeant.
Beautiful! You and your team are to push this Jeep down this road to this point on the map until told to stop. Roger that? Good. Now get moving.